Here's how to express a division expression as a mixed number and a decimal. So we have a problem that says a square court's perimeter measures 409 feet. What is the length of each side? So we know the entire outside of the court totals a perimeter of 409 feet. So we want to know what each of those sides measures, which is division. We have 409 feet divided by 4 sides. We can look at this in 2 ways. We can express this as an improper fraction, where we have 409 fourths. So we want to see how many times 4 can fit into our 409. How many wholes can we get? How many 4/4 can we get? We can also express this using our long division model. If we take 409 divided by 4. If we think about how many times 4 can fit into our 400, we know that it can go in 100 times. So we have 4 times 100, which gives us 400. What's remaining are 9 ones. We know 4 groups of 2 can also fit into that 9 that's remaining, which gives us 8, and we're left over with just 1. So we have a total of 102 groups of 4 with a remainder of 1. We need to express this as a fraction or as a mixed number. So we need to look at how many whole times the 4 could fit into 409. That was 102. We have left over part of a foot, 1 part out of 4, so 1/4 of a foot left over. So 102 and 1/4 feet would be the measurement for each side of the square. This would be our mixed number. If we want to express this as a decimal, we need to look at the 2 parts of the number. Our whole number, we have 102 plus 1/4. Okay? We know that 102 needs to come before our decimal point. It is our whole number. We need to rewrite 1/4 as a decimal. In order to do that, we talked about finding an equivalent fraction that has a denominator of either 10 or 100. With 1/4, we can easily change the denominator to 100 by multiplying by 25 over 25. And we will then receive our equivalent fraction of 25 hundredths. And we know that 25 hundredths, written as a decimal, is 0.25. So when we combine our whole number, 102, plus our 1/4, which is 0.25, we get 102.25 feet. So there we have written as a mixed number, as well as a decimal, the length of each side of our square.